Welcome to the channel. It's Almighty Den. Big shout out to all my new subscribers out there. We're coming up on 800 subscribers, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, turn notifications on so you don't miss a beat, especially if you like cryptocurrency, stocks, making money, and earning some passive income, because that's all we about over here. Now today, we're going to talk about some of the staking we've been doing with Crypto.com and BVS Finance and compare a couple of my favorite farms that are paying out massive returns. And I'm going to show you the calculations of what these returns are looking like at a day, at a month, at a year, at the current rates. Now understand that these rates are high right now. These APR rates, they are high, so they are paying out a lot. So they won't always be high. That's why it's important to get in early. Now, if you was like me, when I first heard about this, I heard about it like a week before I got in, and the rates had even dropped even since then. And I was like, wow, I wish I would have got in when I first heard it, because I could have already been stacking up, earning even more BVS Finance. Because understand, even if you are not long BVS Finance long term, let's see, I am long in the long term because I do believe in Crypto.com, which supports BVS Finance, you still can earn it and swap it out for other cryptocurrencies in the meantime. You see what I'm saying? Or whenever you're ready, or whenever you're done farming it, if you're not good enough with the returns. But for me personally, the returns on Crow-Dash VVS right now is 516% APR, and the returns on BVS USDT is 638% APR. We're going to compare these two because I just hopped in the BVS USDT farm today. I had already been in the Crow-Dash VVS prior to today. So I told you I have been adding to these plays, these farms, to try to get my passive income to get even higher and get even more and more stacked up. But let's show you the calculations of the Crow VVS in case you're a bit hesitant about it. We're going to start off to say you put in $100. Let's say you put in $100. At a year, that would be $15,000 at the current rates. At the current rates. Now, I'm emphasizing at the current rates because these rates could drop, but you still can get in at these rates for the time being. It may not always be this way, but even if you can get a period of time of those rates, those are still good returns. You see what I'm saying? It makes a lot of sense. Now, let's go to a day. If you can make $1.39 in one day off of $100 of something that you're going to hold and it's going to continue to stack and compound, that's very good. You're making 1.39% in a day. A lot of your bank accounts are not giving y'all 1.39% in your saving accounts. It might be like 0.0 something for like a year. For like a year. You know what I'm saying? You're getting 1.39% in a day right here. Now, if you go to 7 days, that's about 10%, $10.12. That's cool. 30 days, $51, 51%. Now, to make 50% in 30 days is absolutely fire on passive income. A year, you can see how it just stacks up. It's 15,000%. 5 years is absolutely crazy. I don't even that's like $8 billion. It could be more than that, honestly, but that's just absolutely insane at these rates. But that just goes to show you how the return on interest can really work in your favor. But I am emphasizing that don't expect to come in here and get $8 billion in 5 years. I don't expect that, but I do expect that we can make some good money off of these. You see what I'm saying? Understand what I'm saying? Now, let's go look at the other liquidity pair of BVS-USDT. Now, I added this one today because it seemed it was paying out a little bit more than Crow-VVS. So I said, you know what? Why not get some at a better rate? You can switch liquidity farms if you want to. Now, if you put in $100, right, at a year, that's $50,000. At the Crow-VVS, that was $15,000. So that's about $35,000 more right there. And on the daily, that's $1.70. 7 days a week, $12.69. 30 days, $66.89, 66.89%. That's very good returns right there on the $100. That's almost your money back. It's all 60% of your money back that you put in already in just 30 days. Now the more you have, the better. Now, obviously, if you put in like 500, come on now, you see how the money stacks up. 253,000. Now, like I said, I'm giving you disclaimers. I'm no financial advisor. I'm not saying that in a year that this is going to be this. There's a lot of other factors that could happen. Especially, you got to think about factor in the price of BVS Finance, factor in the price of Crypto.com, factor in those prices of the coins, what they can be. But if they go up, that'll be even better for what you're farming. You see what I'm saying? So that's a good point to make right there. And I know some of you might be looking at the multipliers on the side, talking about this is at 40, this is at 3. But if you read the disclaimer, it says this amount is already included in the APR calculations for the farm. So don't even those amounts are already factored in. Now, the next thing I want to share with y'all is this. You know, I know some of y'all are like, okay, well, maybe you don't believe in VVS Finance, right? Okay, so be it. It's early in the process. You know, I'd rather be a believer in something early and get in early to get the massive returns. So that's the risk I'm willing to take. I'm cool with getting in early to get the big gains. I'm not trying to chase this play. We know about it now. I've seen it. I'm using it. I see the fees. The fees are much cheaper than a lot of other websites that I've used so far to trade cryptocurrencies and swap cryptocurrencies out. So that's a good thing. But, you know, you can come over here, choose VVS Finance. You can switch it to Crypto.com, Beefy Finance, the DAI stablecoin, Ethereum, Sheep, USDC, USDT. Transfer that back to your wallet, transfer to another exchange, and then swap it for whatever you want. You see what I'm saying? It's as simple as that after you're harvesting your VVS. So it's there for you to make some money. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm about, you see. But at the same time, let's go to the Crypto.com chart as well, because, you know, we got to talk about that because, like I said, we like to buy low. And today was a good day to buy low because, like I said, we had an inside day of this red candle right here. It gave us another chance to get in lower like we did yesterday. Now, it did not go as low, but a good sign for direction is if it breaks above the high of this candle, that could be a more bullish sign. If it breaks below the low of this candle, I could expect it to go down further and maybe hit this level of support down here on this Crypto.com Coinbase chart at about 43 cents. So you could maybe look out for that, expect that, be prepared, not surprised, and just know what's going to happen. But understand, it's down from $1. Very good discount buy. VVS Finance still trading in a very good range. It has been in a pretty strong level of consolidation right now. Throughout everything, it's been a very, very strong level of consolidation between 0.00011 and 0.00014. And that's a very good sign, especially if you're stacking it up passively, earning it in your sleep. I mean, it's easy. It's very, very easy money to get. I can't express to you how easy it is. Just make sure if you're going to hop in the game, if you're going to do some yield farming, make sure you're sending your cryptos to the right address. That's the only, not the only downside that you could maybe mess up on, but it's not hard to do. But if you need a tutorial, if you need a how-to video, let me know. If you have questions, ask them down below in the comment section. Like I said, there's a lot of people watching these videos. There's a lot of people who know a lot. If you know something else, you know, about cryptocurrency, something to look out for, let us know. Let us know. If you like making money, we like making money. We can all make money together. This is a place where we're going to build a community of people and traders and investors and crypto traders and stock options players. And we just in the game trying to take advantage and live a nice life, you know. So as you can see, the price is 0.0012. The volume is kind of chilling out right now. It was a slight little drop off from the highs of yesterday. It did get to 0.0013, so that's okay, man. That's okay. It's cool. Consolidation with this is very, very fine because at the end of the day, we are stacking this up passively, and the longer it consolidates and the more that we have, the better it would actually be if this thing actually, when this thing or if it things actually does break out and go on a massive, massive run. Because we'll have even more. You know what I'm saying? We'll have even more. So that's a very beautiful sight. Now, with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video as well. Until next time, Densky out.